MBG's Expert Opinion Series. Today we have with us Mr. Piyush Pandey, our leader of Legal and Regulatory Affairs Department. Mr. Piyush, welcome to our series. In the wake of current COVID crisis, government is implying special focus on the agriculture and small scale industries to bring back the economy. Can you emphasize a bit on its importance and what measures would you suggest?
Yes, Amit. Regarding this agriculture and MSME sector, basically they both play a key factor in the growth of the economy. And as far as agriculture sector is concerned, it provides largest employment opportunity than any other sector. And besides employment opportunity, it also provides food security, directly affecting the public health and workers' productivity. So it supplements the economic growth. And it is believed that agricultural growth of 4% that would add at least 1% point to the GDP. So it increases exports and it improves the India's country's trade deficit. So economic transformation is in developing countries is driven by increase in agricultural income. And recently we have seen the government has passed 3 very historic agricultural reform bill which aims to change the way agricultural produce is being marketed, sold and stored across the country. And one of the bill is it allows the farmers to sell their harvest, to sell their produce outside the notified APMC mandis without paying any state taxes or fees. So it would give broader access to the farmers for their produce, broader market access, and it would also fetch a better price for their produce. And second bill, I think it will facilitate contract farming and direct marketing. And third bill, it is only amendment to the Essential Commodities Act, and it will deregulate the production, storage, movement and sale of several major food stuff except during some emergency situation. So I think government hopes that new laws will provide farmers with more choice, with competition leading to better price, as well as attract private investment in agricultural marketing, processing and infrastructure. And regarding MSME sector, it is again, it also provides large employment opportunity than only next to the agriculture sector. And MSME basically it is pillar for the economic growth in many developed and developing countries across the world. And in developing country like India, MSME is considered as a major pillar of the economy. And the contribution of MSME sector, it contributes around approx 30% of the India's GDP, and it generates 45% of total industrial employment and 50% of total export that is contributed by the MSME sector. So its contribution is very significant in the country's economy. And MSME sector not only plays a crucial role in providing large employment opportunities at comparatively lower cost than large industries, it also helps in industrialization of the rural and backward areas. So it also helps in reducing the regional imbalance. So we have seen the government has taken a lot of initiatives to support and promote the MSME sector. As during the last announcement at the time of initial stimulus package, we have seen our Honorable Finance Minister, she has announced the global tender up to 200 crores that will not be open for global tender. So I think MSME sector can participate in these tenders. So this will also give a big boost to the MSME. And apart from that, I think a lot of other measures have been taken for the MSME sectors, like even the categorization and criteria of defining the micro, small and medium enterprises that have been enlarged. There is a criteria of investment into plant machinery and equipment that has been increased, the threshold criteria, and of course the demarcation between manufacturing and service sector that has also been merged. So it means the basic criteria, eligibility criteria, that has also been increased, and lot of relief measures apart from collateral free credit facility. Lot of other relief measures have been taken to promote the MSME sector. Basically, the government aims to make its mega campaign Make in India a success through the MSME sector. Like government is willing to produce the Indianized version of each and every articles that is being imported into the India. So that is why lot of incentive program, lot of promotional schemes that is being announced by the government to protect the MSME sector.
Thank you so much, Mr. Piyush, for your time and sharing the valuable information with our viewers. I believe that India being an important global force, we will surely be back on our path to revival in no time. Please share your queries in the comment section below or on info@mbgcorp.com. Stay tuned for more videos from MBG's Expert Opinion series.